famous Walter Smith. Hats and scarves. Right, I'm at the Brimlin Road stand. Got to take a walk here, past the main stand, route to the Copland. Like to see the fans before I go into the game. It's absolutely freezing here. My hands are cold. Got my wee tammy on. "27th of December 2025. Go this way. It's a magnificent stadium, the red brick of Ibrox. Just heard Hibs beats Hearts 3-0. Well, that's what I heard so far, it's 3-0. Good to see Hearts fighting against us. And it comes up against the baby teams. Not so much fight. And I'll take you up to the Ibrox Museum. Take a wander over there. I want to get into the stadium as well. Take you into the stadium, show you in there. It's that cold. Finding it hard to speak. I'll take you a walk past the Copland, see what that's like. That's the museum here. I done a video on that last year. If you want to have a look at that, give me a bit of support. Although all my videos aren't about Rangers, I appreciate you, the Rangers fans, support my videos. Somebody else do a bit of YouTubing. This is me on the Copland Road end. That's where I'm sitting in there for today. I'll take you on to the government stand, what they call it, the Sandy Jardine stand now. Oh yeah, used to be the old Ranger shop in there. They closed it down, they put it in the museum. There is the famous Loudon. Take a walk for the Loudon up to the Copland now. Oh, my hands are freezing. As I said, people, hope you can support my channel. I go on holidays quite a lot, so when I do a video, please click onto them as well. Much appreciated. I know it's nothing to do with football, my holidays, but support my channel, please. Thanks, folks. We are the people.
Oh, didn't you see that?
Want yourself a burger, chips, here we go. They're everywhere. There's guys selling all the flags, scarves, hats, everything. Merry Christmas to all the Rangers fans out there.
Oh, good. Oh, good.
Look at that stadium. The history. Unique. Look at that. Rangers FC. Welcome to Ibrox Stadium. What a sign. Well, see this, people. Ibrox Stadium. That's the famous Union Bears. They are the people. As you can see, I'm inside the stadium. The noise is building up. Let's go and watch the game, son.